This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on personal computer for Forza Horizon 5. First, prepare your controller by ensuring it has plenty of power. You can connect it via a standard USB cable, which is often the most reliable method for an initial setup. Alternatively, a Bluetooth adapter can provide a wireless connection. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and get you into the game faster. Begin by taking your USB cable and connecting it firmly to the micro USB port on your PlayStation 4 controller. Then, simply plug the larger end of the USB cable into any open USB port on your personal computer. Your computer should usually recognize the controller automatically, often installing basic drivers. You might see a small notification indicating a new device has been detected, which confirms a successful physical connection. Next, you will need a special piece of software called DS4 Windows. Head to its official website and download the latest stable version. This application is crucial because it allows your PlayStation 4 controller to be recognized by games like Forza Horizon 5 as an Xbox 360 controller, which is the standard for many PC titles. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new folder. Place it somewhere you can easily find, like your documents or desktop, for convenience. Launch DS4 Windows. The first time, it might prompt you to install some drivers. Go ahead and follow those instructions. Once inside, you can create a new profile or select a default one. This profile determines how your PlayStation 4 controller's inputs are translated. Make sure your controller appears in the Controllers tab, indicating DS4 Windows has detected it properly. You should see its battery level and status, confirming it's ready to be configured for gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.